Hello everyone, Happy New Year. It's been a little bit since I've done one of these, but we've got some catching up to do. First off, graduation news. We have announced our graduation dates. Graduation will be at Fisher Cat Stadium, and it'll be Thursday, June 8th at 5:30 with a rain date of Friday, June 9th at 5:30. Information was sent out to senior families yesterday about that, and now we'll build our end of the year calendar, share that with seniors in early March, and send out that calendar through One Call Now. That calendar will have all the graduation events. It will have some other things in there like AP testing, deadlines for VLAX classes and VLAX transcripts for seniors. It will have the drama club performances, the spring concert, a few other things in there too. So a lot of information will start coming regarding the end of semester 2. We're still accepting nominations for the Pembroke Academy Hall of Fame. There is a link for information regarding the Hall of Fame in the email with this video, and a link to the nomination form. So take a look at that and consider nominating someone. We do not have school next Monday. That's Martin Luther King Day. And the following Monday, Monday the 23rd, students do not have school. That's a teacher workshop day. That's also the day in between semester 1 and semester 2. And teachers may have some students come in to do some work. Students can also make appointments with teachers to come in and do some work, do some reassessments. So look into that if you are a student who needs to reassess and redo a summative. With the semester 1 ending, grades will close on January 20th, and then report cards will be published on January 27th. There will be a One Call Now email that goes out announcing that report cards are now in Alma and can be accessed that way. So be on the lookout for information through your email regarding semester 1 report cards. Okay? I also just want to take a moment to congratulate Haley Hagler for being named Student of the Month for the month of November. Haley is the Vice President of Student Senate. She is a great mentor for our underclassmen. And Haley was instrumental in the planning and execution of the Thanksgiving lobby display. And she did a great job with that. So congratulations, Haley. Well-deserved recognition. Go PA and have a great day.